night in the lobby of Las Vegas hotel. He was standing as close as I'm standing next to you now. He called me by name, and I felt like he changed me somehow into someone important and special. No, it sounds strange, but I swear that it's true. It was Elvis and me and Elle. We were just like this. Hey, we got on so well. We were laughing and talking as nice as could be. Can I tell you a story? He gave me a pass to the late show in the very first row. And when it was over, he came out to the apron and bowed. He looked right at me as if to single me out from the crowd. And he slipped me a small piece of paper, and it said, "Come backstage, Jimmy, this is no joke." It was Elvis and me and Elle in the dressing room with the boys and the colonel. They gave me a wink and the dummy could see. Can I tell you a story? Well, they took me straight up to the penthouse suite. There were stars and pretty girls everywhere. Rock and roll royalty just sitting at his feet, and a charge of electricity in the air. I don't expect you to believe me, but I don't really care, 'cause I was there. I was there. I was his #1 fan. When he died, part of me passed on too. If only he'd called me, I know I could have saved him for sure. He just needed a friend. He must have been so insecure that old rock of ages couldn't hide him anymore. But do you see that empty stool? Well, he's sitting there right now. It's still Elvis and me and Elle. Hell, I'll buy anything that the colonel will sell, and I know that it's wrong, but I just can't set him free. Can I tell you a story? Can I tell you a story?